So ang una nating sasagutan ay mean. So paano nga ba natin makuha ang class mark nitong 5 and 10, 10 and 15, 15 and 20, 20 and 25, 25 and 30, 30 and 35. So para makuha natin ang class mark is kailangan natin i-add and divide. So halimbawa 5 and 10, 5 plus 10 is equal to 15 divided by 2 is equal to 7.5. So it means ang class mark ng 5 and 10 is 7.5. Then dito 12.5, 17.5, 22.5, 27.5 and 32.5. So sa fx naman is kailangan natin i-multiply. So 1 times 7.5 is equal to 7.5. 4 times 12.5 is equal to 50. 6 times 7.5 is equal to 105. 4 times 22.5 is equal to 90. 2 times 27.5 is equal to 55. 3 times 32.5 is equal to 97.5. So itong side na to ay kailangan natin i-add. So 7.5 plus 50 plus 105 plus 90 plus 55 plus 97.5 is equal to 401. So 401 and 20 is kailangan natin i-divide. So 401 divided by 20 is equal to 20.5. So ibig sabihin ang 20.5 is ang mean. Ang sunod naman natin sasagutan ay itong median. So ito po pala ang formula ng median. So n divided by 2. Ang n is yung total ng frequency is 20. Divided by 2 is equal to 10. So ang 10 ay 10th term. So LBME equals 19 plus 6 divided by 2. So 19 plus 6 is equal to 25. Then divided by 2 is equal to 12.5. Ang LBME is 12.5. Then n divided by 2 is 20 divided by 2 minus CFB. Ang CFB is 6. Then divide natin sa 20. Then ang I is ang interval. 12.5 plus 10 minus 6 divided by 20 and the interval is 5. 12.5 plus, so ang 10 isusubtract natin sa 6. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Then 20 sulat lang natin sa baba. Then ang 5, 12.5 plus 0.2 times 5. So 0.2 times 5 is equal to 1. So ang 12.5 is i-add natin sa 1. So 12.5 plus 1 is equal to 13.5. So ang sagot sa median is 13.5. Median. So ang sunod naman po is mode. So ito kinuha lang natin galing dito sa median. Then ito. So 10 minus 6 over 2 times 10 minus 6 minus 4 and the interval is 5. So 12.5 plus 4. Kaya nakuha natin itong 4 kasi 10 minus 6 is 4. Then 20, 2 times 10 is 20 minus 2 times 10 minus 6 minus 4. So, negative 6 minus 4 is equal to positive 10. So, yan ang 5. So, dito, ang 4, ikakopy lang natin. Then, 20 minus 10 is 10. Then, dito naman, i-divide natin sila sa 2. So, 2 divided by 4 is 2. Then, 2 divided by 10 is 5. Then, itong dalawa ay i-multiply natin. So, 5 times 2 is 10. Then, copy ulit natin ng 5. Then, 12.5 plus 2 is equal to 14.5.